Welcome everyone. Today we are going to fix the project publish errors in Visual Studio. The error detail has been written in the diagnostic log file. Open the log file from the specified location to troubleshoot the problem. On examination of the log, I found the error in the published profile file. Open the affected file. Located and fix the errors. Inspect each file in the Published Profile folder of the project. Ensure that no unwanted profile files are present. Also, ensure that each file contains correct information. Publish has started without any problem. In our case, the project was using the wrong published profile. Also, there were errors in the selected file. Hopefully, the techniques mentioned in the video were helpful for you.